NASDAQ has been pushing lower for more than 14% since last Christmas. Is this going to bottom out? Are we still looking to go lower? Or maybe there's a chance for the marketplace to start booking higher prices and shooting for that all-time high once more. I'm Ignas from Daily Pips Trading. I welcome you to the channel where we analyze NASDAQ and we look into price delivery in terms of what my expectations are for this upcoming week. Looking at the economic news calendar, this upcoming week we have Monday coming into play, where I'm gonna be putting a little bit of risk because we have news. Finally, we've been working with Mondays without news for quite a while now, and we're getting core retail sales released. Doesn't matter really what kind of numbers we're getting, the fact that we have news finally on Monday allows us to trade and engage with the marketplace. This looks weird for you possibly because you say, Thursday FOMC? No, this is Thursday Bali time, Indonesia time. So Wednesday New York time, 2:30 p.m. FOMC is releasing. Avoid trading on that day and push majority of your risk towards Thursday and Friday price delivery. So to recap it shortly again. Monday is going to be quite a ride of a trading day in my opinion. Avoid trading Wednesday, please do that. FOMC is releasing at that time, and focus majority of your risk towards trading on Thursday and Friday price delivery. Back into the charts. NASDAQ has been pushing lower, NASDAQ has been crashing lower, and is finding a little bit of support at this daily volume imbalance. Yes, we have the daily fair value gap right here. Show it to you real quick that we're bouncing away from. We have this volume imbalance as well. Not only that, we have a bearish last down close candle right here before the push to the upside. It means that we have a bullish order block right next to the current market price as well. And where am I bringing this? I'm bringing this into a place where we're bouncing away on the last Friday, Wednesday as well. A little bit of consolidation throughout the weekly profile happening, and we're doing it not in a random place, not at a random level. We're bouncing away from a lot of confluences in terms of algorithmic price delivery here on the left. But for me, the most interesting thing that I'm watching here is the volume imbalance itself. If we're looking at what kind of displacement we're actually expecting this upcoming week, my interest is quite simple. Let me zoom this in. I'm gonna be watching this volume imbalance to hold in the price and allow it to push to the upside above this daily fair value gap. If this daily fair value gap on Monday trading gets inverted, I'm looking for a bullish week throughout Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday trading, especially if we're gonna be able to find a run above this volume imbalance from what is it, Friday, Monday trading the previous weeks. So if we're able to do that, I'm possibly gonna be able to find two entries this upcoming week. One from the inverse fair value gap towards the volume imbalance, and two from the volume imbalance itself towards higher prices and higher prices for quite a while. Because if we do that, my target is 22,450. Something that I wanted to show why my interest is so heavy towards higher prices. Yes, we have the daily levels, we have the volume imbalance that might get inverted. I'm watching 4 hours chart and this double top up here. Double tops like this never stay in the marketplace. Yes, it takes time sometimes to get delivered towards them, but again, if we invert this daily fair value gap on Monday trading, this is my initial target. So keep your charts at 20,732 and a half as your possible interest point towards higher prices this upcoming week. One more thing that I wanted to show you is the hourly chart, where you have to keep something very important in mind. The marketplace has been ranging. We always take a look at the previous 3 days in terms of price delivery, where we have Wednesday only taking Tuesday's highs, failing to bring any range into the marketplace. Thursday not really taking away the Mondays and the previous week low overall, and Friday just staying inside the range, where the range is being created by Wednesday high and Monday / Thursday low in terms of previous day week low itself. Right, so what am I watching here? I need the marketplace to get out from the range. And getting out from the range means a few things. The marketplace can either push to the upside and start crashing lower, the marketplace can push to the upside, invert on Monday, and start pushing towards that buy side liquidity pool on 4-hour chart. Or the marketplace can actually allow ourselves to see some lower prices being booked in, and only then give us an opportunity to run for higher prices. So 3 actual scenarios that you can be watching for this upcoming week on NASDAQ. My most interesting one, the most hopeful one in terms of what I'm gonna be watching, is this daily inverse for value gap, allowing the marketplace to push to the upside. I'm keeping this short, I'm keeping this quite precise, because otherwise there's nothing for us to do in the marketplace, because as soon as we get into a situation where we're hopeful for both sides of the marketplace to be delivered, trading becomes a little bit tough. This is going to be it from me. I very much appreciate you guys showing up. If you don't mind, leave a like to this video, subscribe to the channel itself if you're new, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.